Okay, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a tool that I just created specifically for this project that I'm currently working on. So, in this work order, uh, these are two similar tanks, almost the same. The only difference or location of nozzles, stuff like that. Um, this still works in copying a component from one assembly to another assembly. Of course, you can do that manually by just selecting your component and copy, and you can go to your target document and you can just paste it there. Problem with doing that is when it is placed in your target document, the location is most probably not the same as the location in your source document. So for example, if I wanted to copy this one, so these are very similar tanks. So they can share the same component, the same model, if they are pretty much identical. So you can just copy it from here. That another way to place it, and then you can just paste it on this document. As you can see, it is placed somewhere other than the original location, so that you would have to redo the constraints so that it will be positioned on the tank. Well, if I got two identical tanks and some of the components would be in the same location on both tanks, I don't want to be redoing the constraints uh, on that tank, on one tank, and redo it on the other tanks, so that they will be positioned the same, right? To demonstrate that, I will have I have these two identical tanks to show you. So on this tank, they will have the same um, monorail. So in this one has a monorail inside, and on the other tank, it will also have a monorail on the inside. But this one, it doesn't have yet. So as you can see, it doesn't have that monorail. I'll just hide the shell so you can see. So here. So if you're going to place it here, you would either maybe place it manually using the place command and then do your constraints, which is quite repetitive. If you already done it on this one, you would have to do it also on the other one. And I didn't like to do that, so I created this iLogic rule that will uh, make it easier for me. Okay, I will demonstrate how it will work. So that iLogic rule is called the copy component between assemblies. So I will just run that, and as you can see, you will have this prompt, and you just press OK, and you will see here it says here select component occurrence, press escape when done. So you're going to select the components that you would like to copy. See, I will select these three components, the monorail and the repads, and I'm done selecting, so I will just press escape. And here it will say select the target assembly document. So whatever document that is open here, and it is an assembly file, it will list it. If you have other assemblies, it will list it here, and then select the correct target assembly that you would like to paste those components. So it's only one assembly open. I will just say OK, and it will place it there on my target assembly. Now, if you go to your target assembly, it is there already. It is placed in that position. It is the same as in the source document, and it will be grounded. Those components will be grounded so that it will move. It will not copy over the any constraints. It will just copy it and paste it in the same location as your source document, and it will ground it so that I don't really need to recreate those constraints because they are the same. It's not going anywhere. So this is enough for it to be so that it will not move. So just ground it. Of course, you can always use the built-in copy here, but this one, I think it will create a copy. It will create a new file, but this one, it will reuse those the part file. So this iLogic rule is meant to be used for shared components, and if they have the same location between uh, assemblies. Okay, so that's how the what you call this iLogic rule works.